I'm not saying good morning because if I called today good, I wouldn't be doing the day justice. FedEx just dropped off a couple of boxes from our friends over at Debate Motorsports. If you guys know who they are, then you know damn well what's in these boxes and what's about to happen. Now, I won't lie to you guys, I cheated. I opened one box early, but you know the deal. Let's get this stuff opened and let's check out the new wheels for the Supra. Now, if you guys remember, I sold my all-time favorite wheels, my Advan GTs, off my Supra back in May. Why did I do that? Well, I wanted to have a little bit extra money in my pocket for when I bought the Corvette. I didn't know exactly how much I was gonna spend, plus the Supra was gonna be sitting all summer long. Now, ever since I did that, I have regretted it deeply. And for the last 2 to maybe 3 months, I have been searching high and low, and I mean everywhere. From here to Australia, to Canada, to Thailand, to Japan, you name it. I have looked everywhere. Now, they do have Advan GTs that you could still buy brand new, but I don't like them. It's the Advan GT Beyonds. They have a weird concave. They have like indents in the spokes. I do like the machined etching for the Advan GT on the spoke. It's not exactly what I want, and it's not exactly what I had. So here we have another set of 18 by 10 plus 35 Advan GT OGs. I know what you're thinking. White? Ugh. I agree. This was the only set that I could find in the world. Look at these masterpieces. Oh, man. The white is not terrible. I just don't think it's gonna fit on this car. The calipers are yellow, the car's blue, and with white, I just feel like it'll look like a Hot Wheels car. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe it'll look great. Let's test fit one. Let's throw this on the car and see how it looks. Yeah, not for me. Hello, B. Why are you shaking your ass? Oh, shit. When I was looking for these wheels, I was not being picky whatsoever. I'm refinishing these wheels in a way that I have wanted to do with this car, with this color, on this exact wheel for a very long time. And that's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm about to load these wheels up. We're gonna drop them off. We'll pick them up in a couple of days so you guys can see the new GTs. Just got to the shop. I've been eyeballing these in the car the whole way here. A yuppie burger. I don't know. It looks like one of those Krabby Patties. I think that's exactly what it is. It smells like it too. So good. They're actually insane. I'm going for 2. All right, I'm gonna pull these wheels out. I'm gonna drop them off. Check back in a couple of days when we pick them up so you guys can see them. Shout out to these guys at the shop, man. I dropped these wheels off like 36 hours ago. I just got the text saying they're done. Say less, I'm on the way. I didn't have time to put my contacts on, didn't put underwear on. I'm free balling it all the way there. I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. We'll check out the new wheels. We're here. Just pulled up to the shine shop. Got my wheels ready to go. They got this nice little Camaro sitting out here. They just did the wheels on this thing. I don't know, maybe I should have powder coated them gloss black like my other GTs, but let's go inside and check these things out. I am so excited. Oh my God. Let me get these things out in the sun so we can really see them. Damn, these look good. I don't think this camera even does it justice. These are beautiful. Man, these look good. I've wanted to do a set of polished GTs for so long. These look amazing.
We do powder coating, chrome, gold plating, black nickel. We were doing this for a customer across town that does these money bricks.
That's their business card. I'll get it good. Boom.
There you go.
Oh my, it's a...
That's Shaq.
That thing is a horse. Hi, buddy. Hi. Don't eat my face, please. He's a good boy. Jeez. Thank you very much, my man. I appreciate it.
Okay.
You guys did a great job. I absolutely will. And if you guys are in Vegas and you need some polishing or powder coating, plating, whatever, check these guys out, the Shine Shop over here on Middlegate Road down in Henderson. So, yes, sir. Thank you very much again. I'll see you guys. I've seen probably, I don't know, maybe 3-4 sets of like chrome or polished GTs in my life. And I always knew that I wanted to do them, so now we got them. I'm happy. So I'm gonna load these up. We'll go home, get the tires mounted, get them put on the car, and we'll get the Supra back on the road. Wanted to throw one on the car, and brother, this color combo is vicious. Wow, that looks incredible. Got the wheels out in the sun, icy looking units, man, let me tell you. I am gonna bring a couple of the wheels back because I don't know if you can see it. There's like a little bit of black stuff inside of all of the lettering. Not a big deal, I'm gonna take them back to get fixed. Tires are on the way. Those are supposed to be here next week. So I'll take these back beginning of next week, get everything touched up just a little bit, and then we'll be good to throw them on the car. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and live fast.